Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make a group chat on Instagram. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram app and we're going to make a group chat. The first thing we should do is clicking on this button. We can go to direct message of Instagram, then click on this button on the top right corner of our screen and choose the account that you want to add to your group chat. And for example, I'm going to add this one and also this one and this one. And after that, we can click on create group chat right here. And wait for a moment guys, it's still loading, and now the group chat has been created. And if you want to send your message, you can type your message right here, and don't forget to click on send to send your message. Okay guys, that's how we can create a group chat on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.